What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, welcome. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and checking it out. It's about 5:45 on a Sunday evening. What we usually like to do on Sunday is just clean up and organize and just prepare for the week ahead. When your home is organized and clean, then you're more organized, you're more productive. At least we are anyway. We like to start our weeks fresh. If you guys enjoy these types of videos, please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel and you would like, please go ahead and click the subscribe button below before you leave. I would love to have you here on my channel to join the family. And without further ado, let's just get right into this video. that is it for this video. It is currently 10 o'clock. Oh my gosh, I just finished cleaning up the kitchen, just washing the dishes, making sure we have clean dishes, you know, all that stuff. My husband cleaned the living room. My husband cleaned the living room, the office, and vacuumed, and then I did the bathrooms, put some laundry in the washer and the dryer, and cleaned the kitchen. And so we kind of tag teamed it so we could knock it out quickly, even though it wasn't quickly because we had to stop and put the boys to bed and all that stuff. But anyways, we finished cleaning up and straightening up on our Sunday evening, and now we're just gonna relax until bedtime. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please be sure to subscribe before you leave. Click the notification bell also so you're notified of when I upload a video so you don't miss out. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So right here, these are all of the pretty much the staple items that we like to keep in our fridge and our pantry for a family of 5. We went grocery shopping yesterday. Yeah, we went grocery shopping yesterday, and so we kind of just restocked up on all of the stuff, like our essentials.